Christ through consistent witness. Chapter 5. The Kingdom Draws Near. The promise is not a distant dream but a dawning presence here and now. The kingdom of heaven comes to earth in the transformation of our desires, in the restoration of broken families, in justice that defies cynicism, and in mercy that heals the wounds of history. We are called to be signs of that kingdom, agents who build rather than burn, heal rather than harm, invite rather than divide. This is not soft optimism, it is sturdy hope, the conviction that God's plan is bigger than our fears and that He is never absent from our labor. Evangelization becomes a joyful overflow, lived witness to friendship with Christ, conversations that spark curiosity about grace, and deeds that reveal a Father who never ceases to search for the lost. Expect in these days both trial and triumph, the cross and the crown walk together. Hold fast to the sacraments, to the prayers that set a flame in the night, and to the promises that sustain us when the wind howls. The kingdom is near because hearts are turning toward the King.